When you walk into a restaurant and the waiter says, "What can I get you?" does your mind go completely blank?
Yes, every single time. I know what I want to eat, but I just can't find the right words fast enough.
You're not alone. Thousands of English learners feel nervous ordering food. But here's the good news.
There's a formula?
Exactly. Today, we're giving you the complete guide. Every phrase, every expression, every sentence pattern you need to order food confidently at any restaurant.
From fast food to fancy restaurants?
Everything. And by the end of this video, you'll be ready to walk into any restaurant without hesitation. Let's start. Okay, Paul, imagine you just walked into a restaurant. What's the first thing that happens?
Someone comes to greet me?
Exactly. The host or hostess will say something like, "Good evening, how many people?"
And I should say 2 people.
You can say that, but here's how native speakers say it more naturally. "Table for 2, please." Or just "2, please."
Party of 2.
Party of 2, like a celebration?
Good question. In restaurants, party means group, so party of 4 means 4 people. You'll hear this a lot.
Interesting. What if I made a reservation?
Great thinking. If you have a reservation, say, "I have a reservation under your name," or "reservation for Paul at 7 p.m."
Okay, but what if they ask, do you have a preference for seating?
Perfect question. Here are your options.
And they'll say, right this way or follow me?
Exactly. Now you're seated. Time to look at the menu, but first, quick challenge. Pause for 3 seconds and say out loud, "Table for 2, please." Practice your pronunciation. Go.
Okay, I'm seated. Now what?
This is where most learners panic. You're looking at the menu and there are words you don't understand.
Every time. Like, what's the difference between appetizer and entree?
Great question. Let me break down the menu structure. Beverages equal drinks. Appetizers equal starters, small dishes before the main meal. Entrees equal main courses in the US. Main course equal entree in British English. Sides equal side dishes like French fries, salad, rice. Desserts equal sweet dishes after the meal.
That's confusing. So in America, entree means the main dish?
Yes, in the US, entree equals main course. In the UK and other countries, entree equals starter. Always look at the context.
Okay, but what if I don't understand a word on the menu?
Perfect. Here's how to ask questions politely.
Excuse me, what's in the Caesar salad?
Great. More examples. What does the chicken parmesan come with? Could you explain what braised means? Is this dish spicy? What do you recommend? What's the most popular dish?
So I can just ask, what do you recommend?
Absolutely. Servers love that question. They'll usually suggest their best dishes. You can also ask, what's your favorite on the menu? Is this dish enough for one person? How big are the portions?
What about allergies? I'm allergic to peanuts.
Super important. Here's how to mention allergies and dietary restrictions.
I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain nuts?
I'm vegetarian. What would you recommend? I don't eat seafood. Can I substitute the shrimp? Is this gluten-free? I'm lactose intolerant. Can you make this without cheese?
That's so helpful. Now I feel more confident asking questions.
Good. Now let's actually order the food.
Your turn. Comment below. What's one food you're allergic to or don't eat? Write it in a sentence like this. I'm allergic to, or I don't eat.
Okay, Paul, the waiter is coming. They'll probably say, "Are you ready to order?" or "What can I get for you?"
And I say, I want the burger?
You can say that, but it sounds a bit direct. Native speakers use softer, more polite language. Watch this. "Good evening. Are you ready to order?"
Yes, please. I'll have the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
Perfect. Notice Paul said "I'll have" instead of "I want." This is the most common phrase. I'll have the, I'd like the, can I get the, more casual, could I have the, very polite. I'll go with the, casual, modern.
So I'll have is the safest?
Yes, it's polite and natural. Now let's practice a full ordering sequence. What can I get you to drink?
I'll have a Coke, please.
Sure, and would you like an appetizer?
Yes, I'd like the mozzarella sticks.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the BBQ burger with a side of fries.
How would you like that cooked?
What are my options?
Great question. For meat, especially burgers and steaks, they'll ask how you want it cooked. Rare is red center, very juicy. Medium rare is pink center, most popular. Medium is slightly pink. Medium well is a little pink. Well done is no pink, fully cooked.
I'll go with medium, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
That's all for now, thank you.
See how natural that was? Let's break down what Paul did right. Used I'll have, polite and clear, said please and thank you, shows respect, asked questions when unsure, smart, gave clear, complete answers.
But what if I want to customize my order?
Yes, this is where you sound like a native speaker. Here's how to make special requests. Can I get that without onions? Could I have extra sauce on the side? Is it possible to substitute fries for a salad? Can I add avocado to that? No mayo, please. Could you make that without cheese? Can I get dressing on the side?
So I can just say, can I get that without...
Exactly. Or you can say, hold the onions if you want to sound more casual.
Hold the onions? That's an idiom?
Yes, hold the ingredient means don't put ingredient on my food. Very common in American English. Challenge time. In the comments, write your perfect order using I'll have. We want to see your practice. Okay, Paul, your food has arrived, but what if something goes wrong?
Like what?
Maybe your food is cold, or they brought the wrong order, or you need something extra.
That happens to me. I never know what to say.
Don't worry, here's how to handle it politely. If the order is wrong, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the fish. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered. If the food has a problem, excuse me, my food is a bit cold. Could you warm it up? I'm sorry, but there's a hair in my salad. If you need something, could we get some more napkins, please? Can I have some extra ketchup? Could you bring us another fork?
And they'll fix it?
Almost always. Restaurants want happy customers. Now, let's talk about phrasal verbs you'll hear during the meal. Bring out means serve or deliver. They'll bring out your food in 10 minutes. Take away means remove. Can you take away these empty plates? Fill up means refill. Can you fill up my water, please? Box up or wrap up means package leftovers. Could you box this up for me? Come with means include. Does this come with a side salad?
So if I want to take food home, I say, can you box this up?
Perfect. Or you can say, can I get a to-go box, or could I have this wrapped to go?
To go means takeaway.
Yes, in American English, to go or takeout. In British English, takeaway. How's everything tasting?
Oh, they asked about the food. What do I say?
Here are natural responses. It's delicious, thank you. Everything's great, thanks. Really good. Perfect, thank you. The chicken is excellent.
So I should always be positive?
If the food is good, yes. But if there's a problem, be honest but polite. It's good, but a little salty for my taste.
That's helpful. Now, what about drinks? They keep asking if I want refills.
Great observation. Here's how to handle drink refills. I'm good, thank you. No more. I'll take some more water, please. Yes, please. Could I get a refill? Asking for more. I'm fine for now, thanks. Not yet.
Quick question. Which food do you think is delicious? Comment, I think blank is delicious. Let's see your vocabulary.
Okay, Paul, you've finished your main course. The waiter comes back and asks, can I interest you in some dessert?
I'm so full. How do I politely say no?
Perfect question. Here are natural ways to decline. I'm full, thank you. No, thank you, I'm stuffed. Informal. Not today, thanks. Just the check, please. I'll pass, but thank you.
But what if I do want dessert?
Then you say, what do you have for dessert? Could we see the dessert menu? What's your best dessert? I'll have the chocolate cake, please. Can we share the brownie? Share? So I can order one dessert for 2 people? Absolutely. Just say, can we share the dessert? Or could we get 2 forks with that?
That's smart. What about coffee?
Great question. Here's how to order coffee and after-dinner drinks. I'll have a coffee, please. Could I get a cappuccino? Just a black coffee for me. Coffee with cream and sugar, please. Do you have decaf? Decaffeinated coffee?
Decaf means no caffeine.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about some advanced ordering techniques that make you sound really fluent. 1. Articles with food. I'll have the chicken, specific item on the menu. I'll have a salad, any salad, general. Can I get some extra sauce? Uncountable. 2. Comparative ordering. I'll have the same him. Make that 2, please. 2 of the same thing. I'll have what she's having. 3. Conditional requests. If you have it, I'd like the soup. I'd prefer the salad if possible. If it's not too much trouble, could I get...
Wow, these make me sound so natural.
Exactly. These little phrases show you really understand English grammar in context. Let's look at one more important thing. Idioms and expressions you'll hear in restaurants. On the house means free. This dessert is on the house. Restaurant pays for it. It's on me means I'll pay. Don't worry, lunch is on me today. Split the bill means divide the cost. Should we split the bill? Go Dutch means everyone pays for themselves. Let's go Dutch. My treat means I'm paying. This is my treat.
So if someone says it's on me, they're paying for my meal.
Exactly. Very common expression. Now, speaking of paying,
You've eaten, you're happy, and now you want to leave. First, you need the bill.
Do I just say bill, please?
You can, but here are more natural ways. Could we get the check, please? US. Can I have the bill, please? UK. We're ready for the check. Check, please. Casual when waiter passes. Whenever you're ready, after waiter asks.
Check or bill both work?
In America, check is more common. In the UK and other countries, bill is standard. Both are understood everywhere.
Okay, the bill arrives. Now what?
Now you need to check it and decide how to pay. First, let's talk about what's on the bill. Subtotal equals total before tax. Tax equals government charge. Gratuity or tip is extra money for service, sometimes included. Total equals final amount to pay.
Wait, tipping? How much should I tip?
Great question. Tipping customs vary. USA 15 to 20%, 20% for great service. UK 10 to 15% if not included. Canada 15 to 20%. Australia not expected, optional. Most of Asia not customary.
So in America, I should always tip?
Yes, it's expected. Servers depend on tips for income. Here's how to handle it. If paying cash, keep the change. If change equals good tip. Or, I don't need change. Same meaning. Or, leave cash on table. If paying by card, tip is added when you sign the receipt. Look for tip or gratuity line. Calculate 20% and write amount.
Can I ask them to split the bill between me and my friend?
Absolutely. Just say, can we split this between 2 cards? Could we divide the bill, please? Can we pay separately? Can you split this evenly? Equal parts. I'll pay for my items only. Separate checks.
That's so helpful. What if there's a mistake on the bill?
Politely point it out. I think there might be an error. We didn't order this. Could you check this? I only had 1 drink. This charge seems incorrect.
They'll fix it.
Yes, always check your bill carefully. Now one last thing, leaving the restaurant. Thank you, everything was delicious. Great meal, thanks. Have a great evening. Thank you for the excellent service.
So I should always thank them?
Yes, it's polite and shows appreciation. Now let's do a complete practice from start to finish. Okay, Paul is going to order at a restaurant and I'm the waitress. This is the complete experience. Watch carefully. Good evening. Welcome to Bella's Kitchen. How many in your party?
Just 2, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Hi, I'm Sarah and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please.
Great. I'll be right back with that. In the meantime, feel free to look over the menu. Here's your lemonade. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
I have a question. What's in the Mediterranean salad?
That has mixed greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese with olive oil dressing.
Perfect. I'll have that as an appetizer, and for my main course, I'd like the grilled salmon.
Great choice. That comes with your choice of 2 sides. We have mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, rice, or a side salad.
I'll go with the vegetables and rice, please.
Wonderful. Any allergies I should know about?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Perfect. I'll get that started for you. Here's your Mediterranean salad. Your salmon will be out shortly.
Thank you, this looks great.
How's everything tasting?
It's delicious. Could I get some more water, please?
Of course. I'll fill that up for you right away. Can I interest you in dessert tonight? We have a wonderful chocolate lava cake.
That sounds amazing, but I'm really full. Just the check, please.
Sure thing. I'll bring that right over.
Thank you so much. Here's my card.
Great. I'll be right back with your receipt.
Thank you. Everything was excellent.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. Did you see all the phrases Paul used?
I used so many things we learned. I'll have, I'd like, asking questions, making requests, everything.
Exactly. Let's do a quick recap of every phrase from that conversation. Just 2, please. Entering. I'll have, ordering drinks. What's in, asking questions. I'd like, ordering food. I'll go with, making choices. Could I get, making requests. It's delicious, complaining about food. I'm really full, declining dessert. Just the check, please. Asking for bill. Thank you so much.
Paul,
Leaving.
you did amazing. How do you feel?
So much more confident. I have the exact phrases I need for every situation.
That's the goal. Now let's talk about your practice. Here's your homework.
Step 1, watch this video again and pause after each section.
Step 2, repeat the phrases out loud 3 times each.
Step 3, write your own restaurant order in the comments.
Step 4, go to a restaurant and use these phrases.
And remember, making mistakes is part of learning.
Absolutely. Even if you forget a word, just point at the menu and say, "I'll have this one, please." Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Before we go, let's do a final challenge for everyone watching.
In the comments, write a complete restaurant order using these steps. Drink, I'll have. Appetizer, I'd like. For my main course, special request. Can I get that without?
We'll reply to as many as we can. We want to see your practice.
And if you found this helpful, we have more videos like this. How to make hotel reservations in English, English phrases for shopping, airport English conversation, English at the doctor's office.
Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any lessons.
Remember, you already know more English than you think. You just need the confidence to use it.
So next time you're at a restaurant,
Speak English confidently.
thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.